Hey YouTube, my name is Leah. This is my first video. I'm dedicating this song to a whole lot of stuff, but mainly to my brother. His name is Sean. Well, was Sean. He passed away when I was in the 5th grade. I miss him so much, but yeah, I'm dedicating this song to him. And I'm also singing this song or singing period on YouTube because my friends keep fussing me out because I won't put a video on YouTube. Kind of shy when it comes to stuff like this, but yeah. My voice isn't all that. Oh, if you see something moving in the background, that's a dog. But yeah, I'm 18, so thought I should just start building up some courage to sing on YouTube. But I'm gonna sing this song. It's called "Thank You" by Ashanti. My voice is kind of scratchy too, so yeah. Just hope you can see past that. I just wanna say that I'm thankful for having you in my life. I wanna say thank you. I wanna say thank you for being in my life. I wanna say thank you, and I miss you, and I wish you would hear me saying thank you, and I love you for being in my life. I don't know, I don't know. I don't know what I would do if I didn't have you in my life. In my life, I wanna say thank you. I love you and I miss you. I just wanna say thank